Hello guys, it's Lucas again, and what I have for you today is just an idea how to set it up and forward the call from your kit one-to-one kit. So for example, you could have an office and you'd just like to forward a call in a case if there's nobody to answer the main indoor station, and just forward the call to maybe a reception or the warehouse or any other place in the building that you might have the second indoor station. So let me show you that on the actual config tool first. So in the config tool, we see here we have two indoor stations. My indoor station number 1 has a room number 1-0. That's the main indoor station. And my second indoor station, in my case here now, it's a standalone indoor station with room number 2. And there's a 2-0. Simple enough. So if you like to communicate with our door station and forward the calls between each other, first of all, I need to make sure that my second indoor station, it's communicating with my door station with my SIP server. So again, I need to enter the IP address of my SIP server and the password for that SIP server, 123456 in my case. Login and username password to that door station. Okay. In the network terminals as well, I need to make sure my VTO, which is my door station, it's connected as well. So I just need to enter the username and password and the IP address of my door station, which is this one here. All right, so once I have that all done, I save those settings. So now I have two devices, two indoor stations. My first indoor station, it's a part of my kit. So when someone presses the button at the door station, it will ring that indoor station first. But if for some reason I won't be able to answer it, that can be forwarded to my second indoor station. So now we need to actually log it in to our indoor station number 1. And also we need to log into our door station, just to tell the door station that there's a second indoor station on our network. And we'll go to the VTH management and we add a new indoor station. So 2-0 and using password to that indoor station. That's it. So now we can check the status. My indoor station number 1, it's up, and the same for the second indoor station standalone. All right, so now at my indoor station, I go to settings. In the settings, we're looking for forward. And like you see here, I just need to enter the room number 2-0. In the case if I'm busy, or in the case if I won't answer the call, the same, and just have them enabled. Just click OK, go back home, and now when I press the button, it will call my main indoor station. But for some reason, if I won't be able to answer it, so I can just hang up, that will start calling my second indoor station, which it could be in the reception, in the warehouse, or any other part of the building. But normally it's not supposed to call when the first indoor station would be selected. So simple as that. Thank you very much, guys. That is just an application you might use on some stage in the future. Take care. See you next time. Bye.
Contact your local Dahua representative or email sales.uk@dahuatech.com to find out more about this solution or any of the products mentioned. You can also click the link in the description below or scan the QR code to find the latest. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more of our great content.